Hello people, welcome to Coach Foundation. I'm your personal coach Vishal Sharma, and forgive me for not welcoming you the usual way or extending the usual pleasantries, and allow me to come straight to the point. I want to ask you a question. Do any one of you know of one single person who's never seen failure in his life? Who've never failed in an exam, who's never seen a loved one pass away, who's never had a heartbreak, or who's never been jobless, or who's never suffered loss in business, someone who's never had any struggle in life, or someone who's had all the struggle but was able to overcome every problem in one single attempt. Do you know of any such person? Well, I don't know of any such person because such a person does not exist. Someday or the other, we all will have to experience one or more of these events. Events and struggles that may break us, that may shake us to the core of our being. But before that happens, the real question here is to ask ourselves, what is it that pushes one to such an extreme? What is it that pushes one to the brink of committing something so terrible like a suicide? What is it? Is it really a challenge, a struggle, a problem that pushes one to the brink of giving up on life? Or is it the absence of that one relationship where you can confide, where you can share your problems, your concerns? Is it the absence of that relationship, the loneliness that pushes one to the brink of giving up one's life? I want you to think about this, and I want you to think very deeply. Will anyone, you or me, will we go to the extent of giving up on life if we have that one person, that one relationship that tells us that we are strong, that we are capable of pulling through these tough times? That one relationship, that one person that tells you, I'm there for you no matter what happens. That one person, that one relationship which tells you that you can never give up. You can never give up because tomorrow is a new day, and keeps telling this unless it gets better. So think about this, and think about this very deeply. Is it the absence of this one relationship that pushes one to the brink of committing something so terrible like a suicide? Sooner or later, we all will have to go through our share of pain, our share of failure, loss and regret. And what's important here is to identify that one relationship where you can confide, where you can share your problems and your concerns. Identify that one person, that one relationship that makes you feel strong, that helps you pull through tough times. That relationships which tells you that you can never give up on life, you can never give up on hope, because no matter what happens, you will win. And if you don't have that someone with whom you can share your problems and your issues and your concerns, connect to us, because we are there for you and we are listening. Be a part of the Open Up initiative, where you can share and discuss your problems and seek necessary help. It's a wonderful platform that's private, confidential and completely free of cost. So if you or anyone you know of is suffering from any kind of depression, connect to us. You can write to us at thesuccesscoach@coachfoundation.com, or you can simply send in a text or a WhatsApp message mentioning I need help on 9028914041, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And like I've always said, but today it's a sincere request, share this video on your YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram and every possible platform, Do it now before it's too late. Let's make sure we help someone today.